Hi, my name is Ben Lyon. I'm head of sales operations for Alfa Romeo here in North America. And I want to take you a couple minutes here at the Los Angeles Auto Show to walk you through the new 2020 model year content. First of all, we have here the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, 505 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. The fastest 5-door production vehicle in the world on the Nürburgring. We're taking a look at the vehicle, obviously. If you look at the up front, we obviously have the HID headlights with signature LED lighting. The V-Scudetto grille, a design element we've had on our vehicle for over 75 years. We're talking about 505 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. I mean, that's obviously on the Quadrifoglio model, but when you're talking best-in-class 0 to 60 horsepower and torque, and a lot of the other attributes that come along with a best-in-class driving vehicle, that comes standard in every Alfa Romeo, not just the Quadrifoglio. We come along the other side, I'll take a look at the interior of the So new for 20 mile a year, the first thing you're going to notice is the 8.8-inch standard touchscreen display that comes with reconfigurable widgets, a completely new processor, and better graphics, along with performance pages to track your 0 to 60, 0 to 100 braking times, lap times, and etc. We have an entire new center console here that you'll notice with added storage up front, larger storage for your cup holders, a place for your key, a phone stowage area, along with wireless charging, a leather wrap shifter with dynamic different stitching on it, as well as a new steering wheel. On here, signature push-button race start mode for the F1 car-inspired design performance, as well as a Quadrifoglio logo adorned in carbon fiber at the bottom. Everything that the driver touches inside this vehicle has been enhanced for the 2020 mile a year, including the knobs, buttons, redundant HVAC controls, and etc. Standard, we have forward collision warning. We have a suite of connected services. Again, we have standard laminated glass for a quieter interior in the cabin. So we've really touched everything that our customers have been asking for and delivered it for the 2020 mile a year here on Alfa Romeo. I'll take a look back over here. Coming around to the rear, on the Quadrifoglio, you're going to notice some of the carbon fiber adornments. This one is included with the Nero Edizione package, which is a dark package, really gives a different look and feel and contrast to the Alfa Romeo, and a true performance driving machine.
And the 4 pipes.
Quad exhaust tips here with the lower air dam and completely new design elements that we have here. It really gives it a standout look that is different from the competition, and again, a best-in-class competitor, not only in the Quadrifoglio model, but also in our 2.0.
What's the availability and the price on the US market?
So new for 20 mile a year is going to be $39,395 before destination, which includes a lot of standard features as well, and best-in-class attributes, and then $2,000 more for the Stelvio rear-wheel drive model as well, $2,000 option for all-wheel drive.